afternoon, everyone. So today we'll talk about the concepts of agriculture. Farming of domesticated species product food surpluses that allowed people to live in cities. Agriculture is the key development in the rise of sedentary human civilization. It includes craft and livestock production, aquaculture, fisheries, and forestry for food and non-food products. Although grain collecting dates back at least 105 years, the first farmers didn't start growing grains until the 11,500 years ago. Some 10,000 years ago, pigs, cattle, goats, and sheep were domesticated. At least 11 different parts of the world have independently developed plant cultures. Large scale monoculture, the foundation of industrial agriculture, began to dominate the agricultural production in the 20th century. About one third of the world's food is produced by small farms. As of 2021, but large farms predominate. The largest 1% of farms worldwide operated more than the 70% of world's farmlands and are larger than 50% hectares. Approximately 40% of agricultural land is located on farms larger than 1,000 hectares. However, 5 out of every 6 farms worldwide are smaller than 2 hectares and account for only about 12% of all agricultural land. Farms and farming have a significant impact on rural economies and rural societies, affecting both direct agricultural workforce and larger business that serve farms and farming populations. The main agricultural products can be divided into four categories: fuels, foods, fibers, and raw materials like rubber. Grain based cereals, fruits, vegetables, meat, dairy, eggs, and fungus are among the food classes. Approximately 11 billion tons of food, 30 million tons of natural fibers, and 4 billion of wood are produced globally through agriculture. Nevertheless, 14% of the world's food is wasted during production before it is sold in stores. Crop yields have improved dramatically due to modern agronomy plant breeding, agrochemicals like fertilizers and pesticides, and technological advancements, but they have also negatively impacted the ecosystem and ecology. Modern methods of animals husbandry and selective breeding by also expanded meat production, but they have also sparked worries about the environmental impact and animal welfare. Aquifer depletion, deforestation, antibiotic resistance, and other agricultural contamination are examples of environmental challenge. Degradation of the environment, including the loss of biodiversity, the desertification, degraded soil, and climate change, is both caused by sensitive to agriculture. These factors might result in lower crop yields despite being prohibited in some nations. Genetically engineered organisms are commonly employed.